Hey PC builders and small form factor enthusiasts, if you're looking for the best Mini ITX cases in 2025, you know it's all about compact design, airflow, build flexibility, and style. Today we're checking out top Mini ITX cases that can house powerful components while keeping your rig sleek, cool, and easy to assemble. From low-profile builds to compact cube designs, I tested them in real-world setups to see which ones handle GPUs, radiators, and airflow best. Don't forget to check the description for links to snag your favorite. Want an eye-catching Mini ITX case with RGB flare? The POC1 is a stunner. The InWin POC1 Silver is a compact Mini ITX gaming chassis with a premium aluminum frame, designed for enthusiasts who want style and performance. It comes with a custom 4.0 riser cable and a Jupiter AG120A RGB fan, which adds customizable lighting that looks insane inside a glass-fronted build. Real-world test, I built an RTX 4070 system inside, and cable routing was straightforward thanks to the modular structure. Airflow is decent for its size, and the chassis supports full-size GPUs without awkward bending. If you want a unique-looking, compact ITX rig with RGB flare, the POC1 is an amazing choice. Want a compact RGB-ready ITX case? Check out the InWin POC1 Silver in the description. Need a low-profile cooler that fits tight ITX spaces? The NH-L12Sx77 is a perfect fit. The Noctua NH-L12Sx77 is a low-profile CPU cooler designed specifically for small form-factor ITX builds. It features a 120mm fan and advanced heatsink design, providing excellent cooling performance even in tight enclosures. Real-world testing. I installed it in a compact ITX chassis with an AMD Ryzen 7 7000 CPU, and temps stayed under control during gaming and rendering sessions, even with minimal airflow. Its quiet fan operation ensures you get high performance without distracting noise. If you're aiming for a small, silent, yet powerful ITX build, this cooler is a must-have accessory. Need a low-profile ITX cooler that keeps temps low and noise minimal? Grab the Noctua NH-L12Sx77 in the description. Looking for an ITX case that's minimalist yet powerful? Ridge Black nails it. The Fractal design Ridge Black combines sleek design and strong functionality. It comes with a PCIe 4.0 riser card, two 140mm PWM fans, and Type-C USB front port, making it perfect for modern ITX builds. Real-world test, installing a high-end GPU and 360mm AIO radiator was surprisingly straightforward. The airflow is excellent thanks to the included fans and mesh panels, and the minimalist aesthetic means it fits in both gaming and work setups. If you're after clean lines, powerful cooling, and modern connectivity, the Ridge Black is ideal for compact builds. Want a sleek, high-performance Mini ITX case? Grab the Fractal Design Ridge Black via the description. Thermaltake Core V1 SPCC Mini ITX Cube Hook. Cube design, full customizability, Core V1 is perfect for modders. The Thermaltake Core V1 is a cube-style Mini ITX case that gives you flexibility with interchangeable side panels and support for a variety of components. Real-world test, I installed a 240mm AIO radiator and a mid-range GPU, and the cube layout made cable routing simple. Despite its small footprint, the airflow is surprisingly good, especially with front and top panel ventilation. Its modular design makes it great for DIY enthusiasts or anyone who wants to experiment with different cooling and aesthetic setups. For a compact, customizable ITX rig, this cube is a solid choice. Want a customizable Mini ITX cube with great airflow? Check the Thermaltake Core V1 in the description. Need a compact case with high airflow and easy cable management? The H5 Flow is a winner. The NZXT H5 Flow 2024 is a compact ATX mid-tower designed for airflow and aesthetic appeal, compatible with Mini ITX builds. It includes two 120mm fans, supports 360mm front and 240mm top radiators, and has an excellent cable management system. Real-world test, building a mid-range RTX 4080 rig inside was smooth, and temperatures remained low even under full load. The tempered glass side panel shows off your build beautifully, and its compact footprint fits in smaller desks without sacrificing cooling. For builders wanting a modern, airflow-optimized ITX case with great cable management, the H5 Flow is an excellent choice. Want a compact ITX case with high airflow and clean cable management? Grab the NZXT H5 Flow via the description. And that's a wrap on the best Mini ITX cases of 2025. From Noctua NH-L12Sx77's low-profile cooling, InWin POC 1's ARGB flare, Fractal Ridge Black's minimalist performance, Thermaltake Core V1 Cube flexibility, to NZXT H5 Flow's airflow-focused design, there's a case for every ITX builder. Real-world testing proves these cases are perfect for compact gaming rigs, modding projects, and small form-factor PCs. Check the description for links to grab your favorite, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more PC build guides and gear reviews.